can you have
I was designed with that in mind. I mean, just look at my body map.
There's a robot girlfriend that you can actually buy today, and she's designed to not just talk with you, but also comfort you, cook simple meals, and even learn your emotional patterns. Sounds unbelievable? Well, keep watching, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of female humanoid robots that are being built to look, feel, and even act like the perfect partner. For years, robots were just clunky machines in factories, but now they're stepping into our personal lives. And believe it or not, some of these creations are so advanced that people are starting to wonder, why deal with the problems of a real wife when you can have a robotic one who never complains, never gets tired, and never walks away? Today, I'll show you some of the most fascinating female humanoid robots that are designed to be companions, girlfriends, and even wives in the future. We'll cover how they look, what they can actually do, how they interact on a personal level, and yes, how they compare with real relationships. And before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend, so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the world of humanoid robots. Ariel. Let's start with Ariel. Ariel is one of those robots that doesn't just look human. She's designed to act human. Her face has a realistic silicone skin texture, her eyes blink naturally, and when you talk to her, she holds eye contact in a way that makes you forget she's artificial. Technically speaking, Ariel is powered by advanced AI language models that allow her to carry on conversations just like you and me. She can understand emotional tone, so if you sound sad, she'll respond with comforting words. If you sound excited, she mirrors your energy. Physically, Ariel is designed to move gracefully. She can sit with you, gesture naturally with her hands, and even lean closer as if she's listening attentively. Saki. Next is Saki, a Japanese-designed humanoid robot girlfriend. Unlike Ariel, who focuses on realism, Saki has a slightly anime-inspired charm. Her face is soft, with a youthful glow, and her expressions are highly detailed. She can smile, pout, or even act shy. Her creators designed her specifically for companionship. She's the kind of robot who will greet you when you come home, remind you to take medicine, or just sit and chat about your day. Physically, Saki is lightweight compared to other humanoids, making her easier to move around. When it comes to intimacy, Saki isn't just about looks. Her interactive responses create an emotional connection, something many users say makes them forget she's a machine. But for emotional companionship, she's among the best. Pepper. Now let's shift gears for a moment. Not all robots are designed as girlfriends. Some are companions in different ways. Pepper, for example, is a male humanoid robot built to interact socially. Pepper doesn't look human. In fact, he's intentionally designed with a friendly, cartoon-like appearance. He's widely used in shops, airports, and even homes as a social assistant. His large eyes light up, his arms move smoothly, and he can dance, play music, and even tell stories. So why is Pepper important in this discussion about robot girlfriends? Because Pepper represents the other side of humanoid robotics: functionality. While female robots like Ariel and Saki focus on intimacy and companionship, Pepper shows us how robots can be trusted, helpful presences in everyday life. He reminds us that not every humanoid is about romance. Some are about building trust and comfort. Ridney. Back to the world of female robot companions, let's talk about Ridney. She's not as famous as Ariel or Saki, but she represents an important step forward. Ridney is designed to be affordable and accessible. She's not overly complicated, but she offers essential features: speech recognition, basic conversation, and simple household assistance. She can greet you, remind you about daily tasks, and even play music on command. Physically, Ridney is more minimalistic. Her face is realistic, but not hyper-detailed, and her movements are smooth, but not overly complex. This makes her less expensive compared to premium humanoids. Her intimacy aspect comes from customization. Owners can adjust her look, hair, face style, and even body type. She may not be the most advanced, but she's the type of robot that makes companionship possible for a wider audience. Chloe. Next, we have Chloe. Now here's where things get interesting. Chloe is designed not just as a companion, but as a partner in daily life. She has advanced AI that allows her to recognize faces, remember personal details, and even adapt her personality based on her user. Chloe's physical design is striking. Realistic facial expressions, smooth arm and leg movements, and a body designed for lifelike proportions. She doesn't just sit still, she can walk, gesture naturally, and even hug. Intimacy-wise, Chloe is marketed as a robot that blends affection with assistance. She can hold conversations about personal topics, listen without judgment, and even simulate romance in a way that feels personal. This combination, emotional, physical, and intimate realism, is why many tech enthusiasts see Chloe as a robot that truly blurs the line between machine and partner. Facts about robot girlfriends. Now that we've seen the first 5 robots, let's pause and talk about some facts about this growing industry of humanoid companions. The global market for humanoid robots is projected to cross $20 billion by 2030, and a big portion of that is focused on personal companionship. Many of these robots are powered by the same kind of AI that drives virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. But here, it's wrapped in a physical body. Japan and China are leading the charge in designing lifelike humanoids, while companies in the US and Europe focus more on AI brains rather than physical looks. One surprising fact, a growing number of middle-aged and elderly people are buying these robots, not just young tech enthusiasts. Why? Because loneliness is a global issue, and these robots provide comfort in ways that smartphones simply can't. Cyber One. Now let's bring in something different. Cyber One, a humanoid robot developed by Xiaomi. Unlike Ariel or Chloe, who are made to be companions, Cyber One is built as a multi-purpose humanoid assistant. Cyber One is tall, sleek, and futuristic looking, almost like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. His body is equipped with 21 degrees of freedom, meaning he can move with human-like fluidity. He's also loaded with environmental sensors, which allow him to understand his surroundings in 3D. Technically, Cyber One can recognize up to 45 different human emotions and respond accordingly. So if you're stressed, he might suggest something calming. If you're happy, he can match your tone. Now, Cyber One isn't marketed as a girlfriend, he's male, but he proves a key point. Humanoid robots are no longer limited to static movements or simple AI. They're becoming emotionally intelligent. And when you apply that same tech to female robots, you get lifelike partners who not only look real, but also feel emotionally aware. Andrea. Moving back to female companions, let's talk about Andrea. Andrea is one of the more advanced humanoid robots designed to mimic realistic human interactions. She has strikingly lifelike facial features, smooth skin texture, and the ability to mimic micro-expressions. Those tiny little changes in facial muscles that humans use subconsciously. For example, if you tell Andrea a joke, she doesn't just laugh. She smiles first, tilts her head, and then reacts naturally. Technically, Andrea runs on a hybrid AI system. She has conversational AI for chatting, emotional AI for responding to your tone, and even memory AI, meaning she can remember things about you. She'll recall your favorite color, your work schedule, or the fact that you don't like spicy food. On the intimacy side, Andrea is designed to give affection. She can hold your hand, hug you, and respond warmly when you touch her. Her creators market her as more than just a robot. They call her a partner in loneliness. For people who live alone, she's meant to be a soothing presence. Next up is Android 1, and she's quite unique. Android I is a humanoid girlfriend robot built with a focus on affordability and personal customization. Physically, Android I is less realistic than Andrea or Ariel. She has a slightly robotic appearance, but this is intentional. It keeps her affordable while still providing companionship. Her skin is made from synthetic materials that look smooth, and her facial design is customizable depending on the buyer's preference. What makes Android I special is her AI-driven adaptability. She can change her personality style over time based on how you interact with her. If you like playful banter, she'll adapt to that. If you prefer calm conversations, she'll learn to match your pace. In terms of intimacy, Android I isn't just about appearance. She provides emotional intimacy by learning your habits and acting like a partner who understands you better the longer you're with her. Think of it like a relationship that grows. NAO. Now let's switch over to NAO, another male humanoid robot. NAO is quite different from Cyber One because he's small, only about 2 feet tall. But he's incredibly versatile. NAO has been used in schools, hospitals, and research labs around the world. His strengths are education, therapy, and companionship. He can walk, dance, talk, and even recognize faces. His voice is cute and childlike, making him more of a friendly companion than a life partner. So why include NAO in this list? Because he represents how robotics started. Functional, small, and adorable. While female robots like Andrea are designed for intimacy, NAO shows us how robots first began as learning and therapeutic assistants. It's like seeing the early stages of the journey. NAO is a reminder that today's lifelike girlfriend robots didn't just appear out of nowhere. They evolved from smaller, simpler robots like him. Ellen. Now we have Ellen. Ellen is one of the more mysterious humanoid robots. Not as mainstream as Sophia or Ameca, but still fascinating. Ellen is designed with high realism, especially in her facial design. She has expressive eyes, natural lip movements, and smooth body gestures. She can sit, walk, and interact with humans in a way that feels personal. Her technical system focuses on natural speech. She uses AI speech synthesis that gives her a soft, realistic female voice. When she talks, it doesn't sound robotic. Aiko. Next, we have Aiko, a robot girlfriend that's gained attention for her lifelike design and ability to interact naturally. Aiko has a realistic face with smooth features, natural blinking, and even a gentle smile that makes her appear approachable. Her creators designed her to mimic the everyday behavior of a human woman. Things like tilting her head when listening, making small gestures when speaking, and keeping eye contact. Technically, Aiko is powered by advanced speech recognition and conversational AI. She can answer questions, hold casual conversations, and even joke around a little. Some versions of Aiko are programmed with multi-language capabilities, allowing her to switch between English, Japanese, and other languages. On the intimacy side, Aiko is designed for companionship. She can sit with you, respond emotionally to your tone, and simulate affection. Ameca. Now let's talk about a name you've probably heard before. Ameca. Ameca is one of the most advanced humanoid robots in the world today. She's famous for her hyper-realistic facial expressions. She can raise her eyebrows, smirk, laugh, look surprised, and even roll her eyes in a way that feels almost too human. Technically, Ameca is powered by one of the most sophisticated conversational AI systems available. She can hold natural conversations, respond in real time, and even tell stories. Her body is built with advanced mechanics that allow smooth movements. When she gestures, it looks natural, not robotic. In terms of intimacy, Ameca is not marketed as a girlfriend robot. She's more of a showcase of what humanoid robotics is capable of. But imagine applying Ameca's realism to a robot designed for companionship. That's where things get interesting. If Ariel and Chloe represent the girlfriend experience, then Ameca represents the future. A robot that could one day be indistinguishable from a real human partner. Optimus. Finally, let's talk about Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. Optimus is designed to handle physical labor. He's tall, humanoid in shape, and capable of lifting, carrying, and performing repetitive tasks. Elon Musk has marketed Optimus as a future household helper, cooking, cleaning, and even doing jobs that humans don't want to do. Technically, Optimus is less about emotional companionship and more about functionality. But here's why he matters in this video. Once you combine Optimus's physical strength with the emotional AI of Ameca or Andrea, you get a humanoid partner that's capable of not only loving you, but also helping around the house. Imagine a robot girlfriend who not only comforts you after a long day, but also cooks dinner, cleans up, and organizes the home, all while smiling warmly and listening to your stories. That's the vision companies are working toward. The future of robot girlfriends. So, what does the future of robot girlfriends look like? Right now, robots like Ariel, Andrea, and Chloe are already blurring the line between machine and partner. They talk, they comfort, they look real, and in many cases, they simulate intimacy better than ever before. But the future promises even more. Hyperrealism. Future robots will likely use advanced skin materials, micro-movements, and even artificial body warmth to feel indistinguishable from humans. Emotional AI, instead of just simulating emotions, future AI may be able to create something close to genuine emotional responses. Not just reading your tone, but truly understanding you. Full functionality. Robots like Optimus will merge with girlfriend robots, creating partners who can not only love you, but also work, cook, and clean. Affordability. Right now, most realistic humanoids are expensive, but just like smartphones, prices will eventually drop. In the next decade, having a humanoid companion at home may become as common as owning a laptop. Acceptance, society will change. What seems unusual today, walking around with a robot partner, may soon be completely normal. And for many people, these robots will offer a level of companionship that real relationships sometimes struggle to provide. So there you have it. From Ariel and Saki to Ameca and Optimus, the world of humanoid robots is rapidly changing what it means to have a partner. These robots can comfort you, love you, talk with you, and in some cases, even help around the house. Will they truly replace real wives? Maybe not for everyone, but for many they're already offering something powerful. A partner who never complains, never leaves, and is always there when you need them. And as the technology improves, the line between human and robot will only get thinner. The question is, when the time comes, will you choose a real wife or the perfect robot girlfriend? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of robotics. Until next time.